Ekitongore kitari kya gavumenti kya Lutheran Foundation nicho kyebembiremu encourage barikushomesa abakuru b'ebyobwegyese bakuru b'amashomero hamwe n'abaana kwega kuhaba b'ebikorwa by'okutorobozibwa.
Can we involve children in terms of this? As we're doing this, we've already trained over 300 teachers in the district who now know what prevention from sexual exploitation and abuse is. They are able to prevent, they are able to respond, they are able to create awareness. So basically we are creating awareness among learners because we want learners to be able to report in case they are experiencing sexual exploitation and abuse. We want learners to be safe in the learning institutions and even at homes.
Abandi n'abasomesa nibabikora, abandi bo mu rugudo abasaija bakuru n'abandi ba relatives ba uncles n'abandi. Ebyo byonu bakutanga umwana kandi ukatandika kumukora ibintu ebyo no maramane hakwega. So today basically umusomo katandika ijo kandi gwere kurungi muno.
Monica Rwetmon kurgo mu kitongore cya LWF hamwe na Everest Niyonzima uw'ebyobwegyesa bwa district ya Kyenjojo bagira ngo nibenda bazire bege kwesi abana babona kwe bagume babagambere bari kuraba mu mashomero.
Teachers and learners, we intend to roll this out to the community, reach out to the parents as well, such that parents are really part of this integrated approach to ensure that children are safe, because we want to see zero tolerance to sexual exploitation and abuse in our community. We want a safe environment for children where they are free from any kind of abuse and exploitation.
Amarira yisira ko byagambira umuzere nyo kuri timwenda kuja kusomerayo habo ensongeti neti nibankora ukuri baitwe atakyetegereze ikana muhambiriza agenda somere kuri but eventually mwana karugamu yayeita so abaziri mwana bora na kugambira nyo isomero nakati kwenda kusomerayo kubanzo yitegereza bwaki mwana na kugambira ni nyendo nsendekerezo manzo manyamu waki utamaraga kugamu mwana listaboni na baine ensongo. So the whole issue is tosobora kuba healthy otayino bomezi buhungu.
Aba LWF hona bakwatanise na ministry y'amagara nibenda no kutaho ubuciko aha rurengo rw'ebyaro kora kuhababa ahandu areze kubarukaho mu byaro.
Kyenjojo district we are doing training for the health assistants, health inspectors and head teachers. We are trying to build capacity after these epidemics for future epidemic response in terms of community engagement. We want to empower the community so that in the event of any future epidemic, we have the community having adopted these strategies.
Umushomo gugumazire biro bibiri kandi abagwetabiremo batugambire bihiremo.
Tukubakura kurunje mashomero no kubarega kureba ngo babinike ibintu binje bira bateganise special nko makagaye eyibararuga bashanga abana bineyo challenges especially sexual violence, sexual harassment na child neglect ate bintu kebi byona byaje amashomero biretezo umwana atakora kurunje cyo nkato mushomuguno twagame ibintu binje munonga icyo kubanza kumaturi interpreting early warning system, early warning signs. Umwana kuyakwijo kare bayatana ku behavinga ninga kora muri mu yatarakoramo ugeze kucondoza ne habwencho raso kushanga umwana ngogwe ayine yebisubire related na sexual.
Gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.